Once an appointment is scheduled, the advisor will send the student an invitation to their JJC email address. Students can access their email through the MyJJC portal located on the upper right of the JJC homepage. Once inside the portal, select the Student 0365 email link. The invitation gives you the option to accept or decline the meeting by choosing yes or no. Once the meeting is accepted, the appointment will add to your Outlook calendar. You can view the appointment by selecting the calendar icon on the lower left of the screen. Find the date corresponding to your appointment. Then double-click the appointment box to show more details. The pop-up window will display information from the advisor, as well as a link to join the appointment, which reads, Join Online Meeting. Please wait until your appointment time to click on the link. Once it's time for your appointment, return to your calendar, open the appointment box, and select the Join Online Meeting link. You'll be connected to your advisor shortly. Confidential web advising allows students to speak with an advisor remotely. Advisors are available to answer questions about the enrollment process, provide degree pathway guidance, connect you with other student support services, share transfer exploration details, and more. For students needing counseling assistance or mental health services, you are encouraged to meet with a JJC Wellness Advocate located in the Office of Student Rights and Responsibilities.